Hi dear students, today we are going to discuss about force and pressure. So force na enna, pressure na enna அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த கிளாஸ்ல பாப்போம். Okay children, let's start now. What is force? What happens when a force is applied to an object? While pushing, pulling, lifting and hitting anything, we are actually changing the motion of an object. The change in motions requires force. So we can say the push or pull on an object resulting its motion is called force. So objectives. And the end of this lesson, you will be able to different force, list the properties of force, understand the effects of force, distinguish contact and non-contact forces, list types of contact and non-contacted force, list properties of pressure, excrete the solids, liquids and gases, list the effects of pressure on human activities, define atmospheric pressures. So what happens when force interact? If you choose a heavy box and try to push it, the box will not move. Now, if you ask your friend to help in pushing it in the same directions moves, they move. Now you ask a friend to help you pushing it in the same directions move. The experiment provides that the forces are acting in the same directions add up. So effects of force. Consider the thin rubber balloon and blow air into it. The shape of changes. Then tights open end with the thread. Now press the air-filled balloon. Again the shape changes. This is due to effect of force. When you play football, the football kept in the center of the field. When you kick it, it moves towards the given directions. Similarly, kinds of force. There are two major types of forces, contact forces and non-contact forces. So examples are contact forces, muscular force and force of friction, etc. Similarly, examples of non-contact forces are magnetic force, gravitational force and etc. There are two types, muscular force and force friction. So, muscular force. When we have push an object such as a box or lift a bucket of water, then the force is caused by the actions of muscles in our body. The force is known as the muscular force. For example, cutting the vegetable or fruits with the help of knife. Next, do you know why a heavy box and pushing does not move? Why a rolling ball steps after some time? When an object moves in contact with another object, a force known as friction comes into play. Non-contact forces, gravitational force, magnetic force and electrostatic force. So do you know why the leaves or fruits fall to the ground when they detached from the plant? This is because gravitational force, the force due to Earth's attractions, is called the gravitational force. This is an example of non-contact forces. So now the force between two magnetic poles placed at the suitable distance is called the magnetic force, in which like poles repel while the unlike poles attract each other. The magnetic can extract a force on another magnetic with it being the contact with it. So do you know when you rub a tube through dry cloth and bring it near the thread is attracted towards the thread. This is because of running the tube through the dry cloth and electrical charge is generated on the tube. This is called the electrostatic charge. This is also an example of non-contact force.